class I have explained you simple interest. What do you mean by interest? What is an amount? Yes? Did you all remember it? Now I am going to explain the problems regarding this. Okay? Now you see. Open a fresh page. Yes, open a fresh page and write. Already you wrote formulas in the classwork. Now write these problems. Write these problems. Simple interest. Write these problems. Okay children, first write fill in the blanks. You have 3 fill in the blanks here. Write fill in the blanks. The money usually deposited or borrowed is called the dash. Yes, what is it called children? Money usually deposited or borrowed is called principal. 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 Okay? Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Principal plus, here they wrote plus simple interest. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Third one, the extra money paid by the bank, the extra money paid by the bank on the money we deposit is called, yes, we deposit is called interest. Yes. After you come on, write these 3 blanks children. Money, the usual money which we deposit or we borrow, that is known as principal. Amount is equal to, yes, amount. From where do we get amount? Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Extra money which we deposit in the bank, yes, after the 3 months or 6 months, bank will pay interest on the money which we have deposited. That is known as interest. Okay, come on, write these 3 blanks. After this, I am going to explain you problems. Yes. Here we will do 3 problems. Second bit. Solve, you write off enough. They gave you principal, principal, principal is equal to rupees 200. Principal is equal to rupees 200. Interest is equal to how much? Interest is equal to rupees 50. They are asking you to find amount. Amount is equal to how much? Yes, just now we wrote in the blanks, no? Amount is equal to how much? Solution. Just now we wrote, no? Amount is equal to principal plus interest. What is the principal here? You are going to draw a box to this formula with a pencil. Yes, this is a formula you have to remember. Underline it with the pencil. Yes. Now what is the amount is equal to? Amount is equal to, what is the principal, children? 200 plus what is the interest? 15. That is equal to 215 rupees. 215 amount is equal to rupees 215. Did you follow this? Yes. Did you all copy? Now I'll say the second one.
Restart.
Yes. The second one, they gave you interest is equal to 17.50 rupees. Okay. Then amount is equal to 826 rupees 50 pice. Okay. Now they are asking you to find out principal. Principal is equal to how much? Yes. How can you show solution? Principal is equal to amount minus interest. Amount minus interest. Principal is equal to amount minus interest. You are going to underline this. Okay, children? You are going to underline this. Now, principal is equal to what is the amount, children? 17. Amount is 826.50 minus 17.50. Come on, do this. 826.50 minus 17.50. 0. 6 minus 7. We can't do. Borrow. 16 minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9. It becomes 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 8. That is nothing but, therefore, amount is equal to rupees 809. Therefore, principal is equal to 809 rupees. Did you all follow this? Yes? Shall I give one sum for homework, children? Will you do? Yes? See, this is a homework sum I am writing here. Homework sum. Only one sum I am giving homework. It is same as first one, children. I am giving you principal. Principal is equal to rupees. Principal is equal to rupees 1050. Interest is equal to rupees. Interest is equal to rupees 85. They are asking you to find out amount. Okay? Come on, do this for homework. Do this sum for homework. Now I am going to start the next bit. I am going to start next bit, children. Yes. Next bit. Calculate the simple interest. Calculate the simple interest. Okay, calculate the simple interest. What is the question? Rupees 750 10% for 3 years. For 3 years. Yes. What is the simple interest formula? Solution. Simple SI means simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. PRT by 100. Yes children, this is a formula, you are going to underline it. Now P means principal. Principal is equal to how much children? Principal is equal to rupees 750. Yes. Now rate means rate is equal to 10%. Now T means time. Time is equal to 3 years. Okay. Now you are going to write. See children, you are going to write this down only because I have no place. I am writing to the side. You have to continue down. Yes. Now come on. Simple interest is equal to P means 750 into 10 into 3 by 100. Okay children. Look here carefully. 1010. 1010. Over. Now what is remaining? 75 into 1 into 3. Divided by 1 is nothing. 75 ones are 75. 75 into 3. 1 we should not write if it is below. Yes, simple interest is equal to 75 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 7 3s are 21. 22. What is that? Simple interest is equal to rupees 225. Did you all got it? Simple interest is equal to rupees 225. Yes, come on, copy this. Yes, we are going to do the next one. More two sums I am going to explain you. With that we will complete our chapter. Okay children. What is the second one? What is the B1 children? Rupees 1250 at 15% for 2 years. For 2 years. Yes. Now what is the solution? Solution is equal to, first write principal. What is principal? 1250. Okay. What is rate? Rate is 15%. What is time? Time is equal to 2 years. Yes. Now they are asking you to find out simple interest is equal to how much? Now write the formula for simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. Now P means principal. 1250 into rate 15 into 2 by 100. Okay children. 0 0. Okay. 0 0. Finished. 2 ones are 2 5s are. అర్థమైందా? 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now what is remaining? 125 into 3 into 1 by 1. 1 1 left over. Now what is there? 125 into 3. 125 into 3. That is nothing but therefore simple interest is equal to rupees 375. Okay children, 2 I did, 1 I am giving you homework. 2 I did, 1 I am giving you for homework. Did you all write this? Everybody, అర్థమవుతుందా చెప్పేది? Yes. Yes, homework. This is for homework, children. Some. Yes, principal is equal to rupees 5,000. Rate is equal to 8%. Time is equal to 3 years. Find out simple interest. Simple interest is equal to how much? Yes? Do this sum for homework. Everyone. With this we have completed our chapter. Yes children, you are going to learn first and second chapter for very well, and after you do this homework sum, you are going to write these formulas, each one 5 times. Okay children? Simple interest is equal to this formula you write 5 times children. PRT by 100. ఈ formula 5 times రాయండి అందరూ. Okay na? That is enough.